we have passed the milestone, the major milestone I have never expected, the 10,000 subscribers. It's a 10k plus family today. It's too big for me. On this road, I was inconsistent with uploading videos because of my professional life, but I also managed to use the little time to focus on what I wanted. Thank you guys. It's impossible without your support. A variety of videos were imagined, and some of them were shot to reality, but most of them were scrambled to bring the best for you. Every video has around 150 to 200 footages, but still I managed to bring the best visuals for you guys. In return, what I got was love and support. Thank you so much guys. A big thanks to my parents, in-laws and sisters who supported me by sharing my videos with all of the people they know and encouraged them to watch. A big thanks to my wife for supporting me and staying with me till the long hours until I finalize my videos for upload. She is there behind the camera for most of the videos, and soon she will be before as well. She's the first one to watch my videos before it's uploaded. A huge thanks to number of friends who helped, encouraged and suggested me with their ideas. There are some screen recordings which were done by my friends just to bring the best on my channel. Thanks a lot to them. A big thanks to all the brands who supported me with their review units. July 22nd, 2019 is the day I decided to start my YouTube journey. Only one skill I had is presentation. With zero awareness of how a YouTube channel works, with zero experience of video editing tools, and zero knowledge on how to use cameras, with zero plans for what my channel is going to concentrate for, it all began. And today, after spending a lot of time learning, I have converted those zeros into a 10k subscribers family. It's not late as well. You can subscribe to the channel and it's absolutely free. Once again, thank you so much. Thank you so much everyone. It's not the end, it's just the beginning. So let's get started.